Hello, sir. Nice to meet you, Andrew.
So this key fob works. The key's broken. Got a new key fob.
Okay.
This glass is the lock. I'm trying to make two sets.
He wanted this key too. Everything for $500. We got both key cover ready. We can see we can start the car with both. Should be start. All good. And with this one too. Yes.
Cut good?
Yeah, both. It's better than the old one.
Yeah, the old one is.
Yes, a little bit tricky. Yes. So now I both key. This the key I already programming. We're gonna put right here. I lock, trunk, and we're gonna leave the key right here and lock it, turn it, and start the car. 2012 Nissan Sentra.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.